Hello guys, CodeChef is here with the 39th exercise named Tanu and HEADBOB. Tanu has got interested in signs and gestures that we can use for communication. One such gesture is the HEADBOB. When we want to signal yes to some, we move the head up and down. For no, the head is moved left and right, rotating about the vertical axis. There is a particular way of saying yes, commonly seen in India, by moving head sideways, rotating about the forward back axis. This is called the Indian head bob. Tani observed many people on the railway station and made a list of gestures that they made. Usual yes gesture is recorded as yes, no as an, and Indian as yes gesture as e. Assume no foreigner uses the Indian yes gesture, vice versa. Identify which of them were Indian, which were not Indian, and which one you cannot be sure about. So, in the first line we read the number of test cases and each person described in two lines. The first line of the lyric contains a single integer and the number of gestures recorded for this person. Next line contains a string of n characters. Each character can be epsilon, n, or I. So, okay. In the first test case, we have an n and y because there is no an I. We say that there's an Indian. He's not an Indian because he doesn't choose I. If there's only one I, then we are going to say that he's an Indian. And if there's no yes or no, is if I is 0 and epsilon is 0, then we are not sure. So we have number of test cases and we have a string s. I'll declare on the character. I don't need string, and I'm going to ring the number of test cases. In the first cycle, I'm going to move through all test cases and read the number of characters. We need that also, and I'm going to make another for which is going to read all the characters. I have the number of characters here, all the characters moving through from 0 to n, and I'm going to inside of this I'm going to read a character each time. So I'm going to get three variables: epsilon equal to 0 at the beginning, I equal to 0 also, and we had n equal to 0 also. So if the character is equal to big Y, then plus plus Y. Else if the character is equal to n, then plus plus n. Or if the character is equal to the Indian yes, then we get plus plus I. So if the way how we separate the Indians from the other ones is if they say yes in Indian way, because there's not a no explanation for the the no is same for both Indians and the French people. So if I is different than 0, then he's Indian. And the new line there. If the number of Indians is 0, and also the number of no's is, we don't care about the no's, the number of okay, that's like if isn't 0, we have here if the number of Indians is 0, in the next case we are sure that the number of Indians isn't 0, so we are going to check if the number of epsilon isn't 0. You can write that like this, the checking we can leave just like this. Here we can leave just epsilon, and if the number of saying yes in French languages is different than 0, then not Indian, and then you line. And if not any of those conditions isn't good, then we output that we aren't sure. I'm just going to copy those and check if we solved the exercise correctly. So not Indian, Indian, and not sure. So it seems like it's solved correctly, so I'm going to try and submit there and see what will be the answer of the CodeChef compiler. Waiting for it a while, it may take a couple of seconds. No, I hate this process of testing because it takes some seconds and I don't like wasting time. Yeah, we have a correct solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. Also, turn on notification by clicking the notification bell to not miss our upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.